Female orgasm, reaching orgasm during sexual activity. The female orgasm is a beautiful experience that involves both the mind and body in ways that are not always fully understood. Female orgasm is a complex psychological and biological experience, unique to each woman. Reaching and experiencing orgasm is not the same for every woman, and can vary widely in intensity, duration, and the types of stimulation that lead to it. Orgasms can result from a variety of stimulations, including clitoral, vaginal, or erogenous zones, such as the nipples. However, for most women, the clitoris plays a critical role. The clitoris has more nerve endings than any other part of the human body. And it's not just the external part you see. The clitoris extends internally with legs and vestibular bulbs that wrap around the vagina. These areas contain erectile tissue that fills with blood and expands when aroused. Did you know this about the clitoris? If this is new to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Some women can achieve orgasm through stimulation of regions inside the vagina, such as the G-spot or even the cervix. Some may experience blended orgasms, where stimulation of multiple areas brings a more intense sensation. Erogenous zones are another important part of the female orgasm experience. These sensitive areas, like the nipples, can provide immense pleasure when stimulated. In fact, each nipple has hundreds of nerve endings, and when aroused, they send signals to the same part of the brain that responds to vaginal or clitoral stimulation. The body reacts in amazing ways during arousal. Blood flows to the genitals, increasing their sensitivity. Heart rate and breathing increase as excitement builds. During orgasm, many women experience rhythmic muscle spasms in the vagina, uterus, and anus. These contractions typically last between 0.8 and 17 seconds, but just like everything else about orgasm, the experience can differ from person to person. Lubrication is another key part of arousal. It begins when the brain receives signals that you're being sexually aroused, prompting the vulvovaginal glands to secrete fluids that ease penetration. The inner and outer vaginal lips also swell as blood flow increases. While female orgasm doesn't lead to seminal emission like in men, some women may squirt a mixture of urine and fluid from the Skene's glands, known as female ejaculation. This fluid contains urea, creatinine, uric acid, and even a protein known as prostate-specific antigen, PSA. It's also important to note that hormonal changes, such as those caused by birth control, pregnancy, or menopause, can affect a woman's ability to experience lubrication, a condition known as vaginal dryness. This can sometimes lead to painful intercourse. And without asking, there's no way to tell if a woman has had an orgasm. It's as much a mental response as it is a physical one. Many factors can make it more difficult for women to orgasm. Excessive stress, relationship problems, poor mental and physical health, and past trauma such as sexual abuse can all contribute. Even societal stigmas around sex and shame, often tied to religious or cultural beliefs, can create barriers. But here's an interesting fact. Many women can experience multiple orgasms in one session without needing a break. This differs from men, who often need a recovery period known as refractory phase before achieving another orgasm. Though women don't need to orgasm to become pregnant, research suggests that orgasms may boost fertility by helping sperm travel up the reproductive tract. If you're finding this video insightful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more videos like this. Ultimately, orgasms are deeply personal experiences. What works for one person might not work for another. Understanding the anatomy and biological processes behind female orgasm can help deepen intimacy and connection. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in the future, leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find this information helpful. Take care and I will see you in the next video. Bye.